Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Final Fantasy Tactics: The Ivalice Chronicles is not launching or keeps crashing on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Final Fantasy Tactics: The Ivalice Chronicles. Right-click it and select Properties. From the left menu, click Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan and repair any missing or corrupted files automatically. Once it's done, try launching your game again. Solution 2. Right-click Final Fantasy Tactics: The Ivalice Chronicles again in your library. Go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Browse Local Files. Find fftenhanced.exe or fftclassic.exe, depending on which version you play. Right-click the file and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch your game again and see if it works. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest version. Once done, restart your PC. Solution 4. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it and go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If there's a new update available, click Download and Install. After the installation, restart your PC and test the game again. Solution 5. Open the link in this video's description. Scroll down and download both files, VC-Redist x86, VC-Redist x64. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Double-click VC-Redist x64. Click Yes, accept the terms, and wait for it to install. Click Close. Don't restart yet. Now double-click VC-Redist x86. Click Yes, accept the terms, and wait for it to finish installing. Finally, restart your PC to apply the changes. Now launch Final Fantasy Tactics: The Ivalice Chronicles again. It should start without crashing. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix Final Fantasy Tactics: The Ivalice Chronicles not launching or crashing on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.